Welcome to the course on distributed algorithms. Today's lecture is about structured peer-to-peer systems for distributed applications. And in order to explain this, let me first explain how we organize the course. So in the first half of the course, we talked about small systems where the number of nodes is small and fixed and known to all. We saw classic algorithms, broadcast, consensus, and variations. Now we're talking about large systems where the number of nodes is large and dynamic. The number of nodes is basically unknown because it's changing so much. It can be so large that no one node will know how many nodes there are. So we need new techniques. We've seen unstructured algorithms. We've seen gossip algorithms. We've also seen BitTorrent and super peer-to-peer algorithms. And today we're going to see another kind of technique for large dynamic systems, which are known as structured overlay networks. So the topology is known. So we're going to see a common approach called DHT, distributed hash tables. So let me give you an overview of what we're going to see in this talk in one slide. So we're going to look at peer-to-peer systems in general. We're going to look at structured peer-to-peer systems. These are peer-to-peer systems with logarithmic properties and a structured topology that is maintained even when there's failures. And now, if you look at that, you can see that many of these systems, they're based on a common principle called distributed k-ary search. And this is a common principle how these systems are built. So we're going to use this to make a kind of an overview of the area and to give you some uniform principles. So we're going to, with this, understand how to make these systems, understand how to optimize, improve them in practice. We're going to show you how to build algorithms and services on top. Particular broadcast, we're going to show an example of Wikipedia using Scalaris, which is a transactional store built on top of a DHT. We're also going to give some general insight how you can build applications on top of these systems. So in the overview of this lecture, there's going to be, first, we're going to talk about the different generations of peer-to-peer algorithms, 3 different structures that have been used. Then we're going to present the concept of a distributed hash table. We're going to present the system called DKS, which is a realistic DHT, which has been built in practice and tested. And then we'll show you how to build an algorithm on top of it. We'll give the example of a broadcast algorithm. And finally, we're going to show you how to use DHTs to build applications. So we're going to show you Scalaris. We're going to show you a drawing application called dtransdraw, and we're going to show you a distributed Wikipedia application built on top of DHTs.